12 forecast.
Well, we had quite a bit of rain around earlier in the morning, unrelated to Florence. Now we're just looking at lots of clouds, live Doppler radar over the last 6 hours. You can see that heavy rain from earlier in the morning getting out of here. And now we've got dry skies, just lots of clouds, a little bit of sun. Threat tracker for today, Friday, and the weekend at that medium level, mainly because of the ocean impacts. We're expecting a building surf over the next 24 hours, the high rip current risk, and we strongly encourage you to stay off the rocks and jetties. Sometimes you get those big waves that can sweep you out into the water. Newport right now, it's pretty quiet. We've got cloudy skies here at North Kingstown. Sailboat traversing the bay. Temperature of 68 degrees, wind from the east at 7. Upper 60s to about 70 degrees across much of the area, though a little bit warmer and westerly at 73. 68 in Providence, over in New Bedford, 69 degrees. Satellite radar picture is showing quiet conditions across the northeast right now, courtesy of a big area of high pressure, which is actually going to be helping to push Florence away from us and actually on off to the south. There's Florence right now working its way toward North Carolina. We are expecting it to make landfall late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We can already see some of the effects of it. The bands of heavy rain coming in, and the winds associated with Florence will be coming in out ahead of it. We're expecting some hurricane force winds to arrive probably during the nighttime tonight. This is at 2 a.m. and you can see some of those winds greater than 74 miles an hour already coming ashore out ahead of Florence. The bigger story, although the storm has weakened a little bit, it's still going to be a very dangerous storm. Life-threatening flooding expected, catastrophic flash flooding, and prolonged significant river flooding expected as a result of 1 to 3 feet of rain falling from Florence. And also a life-threatening storm surge expected. Powerful winds will be pushing the ocean water into the land. 9 to a 13-foot rise in water expected in some parts of North Carolina. Some local heights up to 15 feet. Here's what we know as far as Florence goes. Makes landfall tonight into early Friday. The risk to the Carolinas, as I mentioned, catastrophic rain and storm surge flooding, destructive winds expected tonight and through much of Friday. As far as the impacts locally, just a high surf and rip currents are likely, and we could be looking at some remnant rain come early next week. Hour by hour forecast for today, though, looks quiet, blend of clouds and sunshine developing. Tonight, we'll call it partly cloudy and dry, taking you into your Friday. We'll have some clouds around, but also some breaks of sun. Overall, a pretty good day tomorrow and a pretty good weekend ahead. For tonight, overnight temperatures will be up around 73 degrees with clouds giving way to some partial sun. For tonight, overnight lows about 60 degrees with dry conditions. Here's that 7-day forecast, and we're looking at a nice stretch of weather as we head into the weekend. Sunshine Saturday and Sunday, upper 70s to lower 80s. Monday looks okay. There's some of that remnant rain Tuesday and possibly into the daytime on Wednesday, but it looks pretty quiet through the weekend.
All right, TJ, thanks. Now we want to let you know we're working on Live at 5 tonight. New England Patriots taken to the field today ahead of their upcoming AFC Championship rematch this weekend. What members of the team had to say. At New at 5:30, new information showing the number of uninsured drivers in the state is up. What does that mean for local drivers? We'll take a look. And new at 6, in the wake of the FDA crackdown against e-cigarette sales to minors, we talked to the Department of Health about what they're doing to try to stop that trend in Rhode Island. It's all coming up later today on Eyewitness News. And if you don't get home until after 6 o'clock, you can still get updated on all the big stories.